So here I have it in my hand. It is the mystery treasure box, and I'm using the one is right here is the Easter treasure box. I don't want to rip it's crazy off. Sad the ribbons. I can use it for my hair. Just kidding. It's just like reusable. So excited. Are you ready? Bakeries. Please check out the videos that I have the e-files that I'm using with the Glitz e-file, and you can check it out from our official website. So cute stickers, get the little Easter eggs. I'm gonna get to this one. I'm not sure. Maybe we should do encapsulate with this. I know it's a good idea, but it's gonna be cool. It's a lot in here, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a couple nails on this and see what I am getting. Of course, always with glitz glitter. And then the Cox tool. If you are using your phone, the iPhone, you can able to scan it right here. Using the camera mode, and then scan it, take you right to our official website. In the back, it's always have the instruction for the crystal application guide, just in case you forget one or two steps. So it's really cool. And then also the glitters mixed in a different colors. Glitz have like over 100 different colors, so I'm so excited. I get like have a more of a cool in like a spring theme of the glitter. And there's also the little coupon here, so you can use it later in the futures for your preference. And then I have is here, it's super cute foil for the springtime. I'm so excited. We definitely can do some tutorials with that one. I'll put it on the side because we're all going to using it. I'm so excited. And then also H bags. When you're doing it in the Easter, you get a lot of different elements for the theme. I'm so excited. I should do this one because I like this thing. It's so cute with the little bunnies. Look like the bunny was under of the cherry blossom. It's a lot of eggs and then daisy. Look like a chocolate bunny, but it's like bunny. And I got the chrome flakes. I'm so excited because we should use it today. And this one, when you doing, you can use it as just dab it on, like tap on the nails. Gel polish, you can using it for Velvetty Gel, liquid and powders. And also the gel polish is really fine. The particle is really, really fine, really thin. So you can rub it on as a unicorn finish, or you can dab it on as a really cute glitter encapsulate. So I'm going to put it on the size as well. And open this one. And I got the glitters, which is all different colors from a glitter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 different colors of the dramatic glitters. I mean the butterfly shape. It's gonna be perfect for springtime. And then of course that, oh my god, it's so adorable. The little cuties bunny. Probably want to use this one today. There's a lot of bunny. I like that one. It's super cute. I should maybe use that one. And then we have little eggs, like it's eggs hunts, and then bunny eggs hunts right there. It says. And then a cute little daisy. Different colors of cuties, bunnies, and then Easter baskets. What? It's Easter baskets? Yeah, it's an Easter basket. Ooh, on this one, I have the Easter collectible mix design. So you might get this one, or you might get a different. I am so excited to see what you are getting. So I got this one with all different mix. You're going to see me doing it shortly with the crystal placements. I'm going to put it on the size. Let me open it, see how many. I think the tray right there. So many elements here. Let me open it. Remember the last time I got the Valentine mix bag? It's so many. So this is one tray. And 2 tray. I might have to separate them out, so then they won't be too full there when I'm doing the if you are not getting the bags and you love the if you're not getting the treasure box and you love the bags so much, just get the bags. The bags is available for you to get it now. A lot of elements here, just a part of it. This one is like 2-pack full. So I'm gonna probably leave it on the side for a second because we're going to go right into the designs shortly. And I also got the dragon scales, but this dragon scale has had the mixings of all the Easter's like colors, like spring colors, and also the encapsulates bows for the springtime. I don't know if you can see it. All right, so let's move on. Just the ornaments for the tree. Maybe I'm gonna put it on right here in my space. And let me open it. I'm so excited because it had a lot of colors. Oh, I'm so excited. We're probably gonna do this one today too. This spoon jar. All right, I'm gonna open it and then leave it the one tray here on the side. And I got the fine eye sheet, and it's perfect for spring. And then 5D gels. I can't wait to do the 5D gels, like, again for all of you. And then Diamond Dust Pixie. I love this because it doesn't matter what colors you are doing, is going to, like, a lot of you will get this, a lot of you will get a different colors on the in the box. So I'm so excited. And a lot of you, I see you getting a unicorn Diamond Dust Pixie. So if you don't want a unicorn Diamond Dust Pixie, we can swap, because I have pink and then the whites. So let's see, let's recap on what I'm getting. I got the Diamond Dust Pixie ombre, which is, you will never go wrong with this one, because this is one of the best seller that from Glitz. And I have this is the dragon scale, and then the 5D gels, and I got a fine eye sheet, encapsulate the bows. You want to see me do all of those. And then of course that is collectible mix bag, but I put it on the side right here, like 2 full tray. Definitely has everything I wanted it, and 2 full trays here. So I'm gonna put in here, so because we wanted to go right in and do some nail designs. I also got my butterflies encapsulates. It's a lot of variety. And I get the stickers and my free glitter and my cornflakes. It has pretty much everything. And then 2 foil. So I'm gonna get maybe one of this foil in here. All right, I'm gonna hang it the foils here. Now my head is spinning right now because I have so many ideas which one I'm gonna do. It's gonna be so exciting. So let's get started with some tutorials, so then we can get these cuties out. I have a couple of nails here.